Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Mailchimp CRM sync and stop duplicate contacts. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Mailchimp CRM sync, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to your audience dashboard once you're logged in. Locate the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Click on Settings from the options provided. Scroll down to find the webhooks section. Here, you will see a list of active webhooks connected to your account. Identify the webhook that you want to withdraw from. Click on the Delete button next to the corresponding webhook. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure it is removed. Next, go back to the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Select Audience Fields and merge tags. Review the field settings to identify any custom tags that may be causing duplicate contacts. Consider adjusting these fields to prevent future duplications. Now, navigate to Contacts. Use the filters to locate duplicate contacts within your audience. Select the duplicates you wish to remove. Click on Actions to see the options available. Choose Permanently Delete to remove the duplicates from your account. Ensure you are certain before confirming the deletion, as this action cannot be undone. By following these steps, you will successfully withdraw from CRM sync and reduce duplicate contacts in Mailchimp. Take periodic reviews of your audience settings to maintain data integrity. With these practices, you can streamline your Mailchimp experience and improve your audience management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.